A very good morning to all the students. So, we are doing TTM third semester Legal and Ethical Issues in Tourism. Okay, so in the last class we have covered Indian Contract Act 1972, then after that we have done Partnership Act 1932, then Companies Act we have done 1956. Then after that last one is agencies. So, all this comes under your unit 1. Okay. So, under the unit 1 of legal and ethical issues in tourism, we have covered Indian Contract Act 1972, then Partnership Act, Companies Act, and last one is agencies, the last topic of unit 1. So, today we are doing agencies. So, in tourism industry, in order to sustain the tourism industry, agencies plays an important role. Okay, so role of travel agencies in tourism is very important. Okay, so these agencies which comes under the legal and ethical issues in tourism, and why these agencies are needed in tourism, why it is needed, because it is through agencies the people will come to know about the different places. It is the agencies who do the various services in order to know the product of the tourism, the facilities of the tourism, the where is the places that has been located. So, all the trace mark has been done by these agencies. So, the role of travel agency in tourism is very important. It provides travel and tourism related services to the general public. Okay, regarding the accommodation, regarding the travel suppliers, everything has been done by the agencies. And this travel agencies, when we see the history of travel agency, it was mainly established. The first travel agency of the world was established by Thomas Cook in 1845 in England. Okay, he set up the world's first travel agency known as Thomas Cook. And he is also known as the father of travel agency. Okay. So, under the agency, first travel agency was introduced by Thomas Cook 1845 in England, and the agency, it plays an important role in tourism industry. In order to sustain the industry, tourism industry, the agencies plays a vital role. Okay. The main function of the travel agency is to act as an agent regarding the selling of the travel products, regarding the services on behalf of suppliers. Okay, so regarding the accommodation, regarding the tourist facilities, suppliers, all this comes under the function of the agency. Okay, and travel agent under the this agencies, even the travel agent is also included. And this travel agent is a person who have the knowledge about the tourism product, destinations, mode of travel, about the climate, accommodations, about the various areas of the service sectors, which will mainly known by the travel agent. And through this travel agent, the firm and the corporations will be made, which is commonly known as travel agency. Okay, under the agencies we have travel agent. Through travel agent, the various agencies will be formed and cooperated, different forms will be there, and they do the vital role in order to sustain the tourism industry. And the main function they do is that various agencies, they act as an agent, okay, for selling the products of travel products, services, regarding, they give the information regarding the various travel suppliers, regarding the accommodations, regarding the tourism products. Okay, so all this comes under the agencies, travel agent, then travel agency's role, then function, mainly introduced by Thomas Cook in 1845 in England. So till date, tourism industry has been sustained. It has been sustained, and within the agencies of this travel agency, it is mainly divided into two parts. Okay, it is mainly divided into two parts. One is retail travel agency and another one is wholesale travel agency, which comes under your types of travel agency. Okay, so this retail travel agency Okay, they work as in various business sectors. Okay, they just try to run the various firms. Okay, they make the various documentations of foreign currencies. They make the reservations of insurance. Okay, various rates, fares, mainly decided by the Retail Travel Agency, that is RTA. Okay, according to SHARK, the RTA it has a various consistent business in the tourism product or in the industry it says. So even the RTA, it plays a vital role in travel agency in order to run. Okay, next is wholesale travel agency. Okay, so this is one of the type of travel agency, and it organizes a whole package tour. The wholesale travel agency, it organizes the whole package tour regarding the purchase of tourism product, regarding the various services, but in a bulk. It designed the tour packages, but on a wholesome rate. Okay, so these are the two types of travel agency, that is retail travel agency and wholesale travel agency. And these two types of agency is very important in the agencies of tourism, because it plays a vital role in order to sustain the tourism industry. Okay, so these are all about the agencies, the role it plays, an important role in order to have the sustainability in the tourism, introduced by Thomas Cook. Okay, the first this tourism travel agency of the world, established by Thomas Cook in England in 1845. The travel agent are there in the agencies. The agencies run by the travel agents. They perform a vital function. Then it is divided into two parts, that is retail travel agency and wholesale travel agency, which I have explained in the beforehand. Okay, so students, for today this much only. Will continue in the next class regarding the agencies of travel and tourism, and whatever the queries you have, you can ask in the WhatsApp, and you can anytime you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.